All right, so I've been getting some comments recently about my page being called Snyder's Woodworking, and I'm posting 3D printing content. So to make a 3D printer applicable to everybody says that this is a woodworking channel, I need to post woodworking. Here's how I use my 3D printer for woodworking. So on the website Printables, where they have a bunch of different 3D printed stuff, you're going to type in sanding blocks. There's a bunch of different ones, but this is the one that I picked. Once you find the one that you want, you're going to go ahead and download all the files and load it into your 3D printer to print. And with some movie magic, it'll be done. And just like that, you have a sanding block.